Well, kids, remember in previous exercise you created two characters, fish and turtles, and then you created 10 turtles and 10 fishes, and you scatter all of them in order to locate each of them in different places, like this. Every time I press setup button, all of them appear in different positions. The idea now is to use the option collisions. We are going to do something, we are going to execute some actions here. When you are in the buttons previously selected, this list of buttons appears, but when you move to the next blocks of buttons and you see you have turtles, fish, everyone set up, runtime, and collisions. In collisions you have turtles with turtles, fishes and turtles, fishes and fishes. We need fishes and turtles because we are going to do something when they touch each other. Collision means when two characters touch each other, something is going to happen, an action is going to happen. So let's say that when the fish touches the turtle, the fish is going to say something. Let's say the option say, and we're going to say hello, for example. And the other one, sorry, I wrote it wrong. I made a mistake. Hello. And oh, sorry, I forgot to add the button again. What is it? Traits, text. In text, I'm going to write hello, and the turtle is going to say something different. Let's say, for example, text. The turtle is going to the turtle can say something like, or let's do something, let's say hello, and the other one is gonna say, how are you? How are you? Like this. Let's try in our exercise now. So set up. But we forgot to add something. We forgot to add the runtime here also to execute the commands. So I'm going to select forever button here, and the turtles and fishes are here, and now I'm going to move turtles and fishes, for example, forward, and then I want them to move 2 steps, and then it's gonna turn right. It's gonna turn right. Let's say 90 degrees. It could be 90 degrees. And the opposite for the fishes. The fishes are going to move forward again. Forward. 2 steps. But then they're going to turn left, because I want them to crush. So let's say here and left. Remember, you can click on the panel here and just write the number or the command, and it is going to appear immediately. You don't need to go here to select it. Just click here and write the word. Let's see if it works now. They are going to move, set up, and forever, and let's see what happens. Oh well. Look, for example, in here. Hello, how are you? And they are touching each other. But we are missing something. Let's say we need them to move randomly, maybe. So random option to make them move a little more. Let's say again random. I'm going to copy and paste this command several times because we need to be in different places like this. That's it. We are missing something here. We are missing this random. Now we have all of them. And let's see what happens if we use the option random to move our characters. Now they are moving a little more. Well, they are touching here. Look, and they are saying hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? Hello and how are you? They start moving and touching each other. You can create more than 10, more characters. For example, more than 10, like 20 or 50 to see it better. Okay. So do this exercise. Good luck. Goodbye.